Hi, and welcome to my channel, the Larsen Garden. I am just starting this out, and this is my first video, so I'm kind of giving a little introduction of what I'm going to do here. As it implies, the garden. I love gardening, I enjoy it a lot, but I am still a learning and experimenting gardener. I'm not perfect at any of this, so I'm gonna be learning as I go, and I have found that the best way for me to retain information that I've learned or to remember a certain process is to teach it. And so if I can teach it to someone or share or explain it, a lot of times I'm better able to remember it myself. So that's what we're going to be doing here throughout who knows how long. And so I'll just show you a little bit of our garden. We live on 0.3 acres. Someday we plan to have a farm. That's our dream, to have a farm. But right now we're on 0.3 acres, and we've got our garden, and things are growing in it. I tried to do this video in the morning before my kids woke up, and my phone ran out of space. So now it's really harsh light out there, so I'm standing here in the shade. I'll have to show the garden a bit more later when it is not so harsh outside. But yeah, so we've got our garden, and then we also have our garden helpers. And these are some of our garden helpers, and we will introduce you to them more later. We've got 4 bunnies here that help us out. So yeah, our little Larsen garden. Here we try to grow plants, because it's an experiment. Sometimes things fail and sometimes we succeed. And that's how it is in life. So we're growing plants, hearts and minds. And so some of the videos on here, a lot of them will be geared towards the garden or the yard, but there might be some on here that have to do just with creative projects with my kids. I've got a toddler and a baby, and so we're focused on growing, I said it backwards, but the way I've written it is growing hearts, minds, and plants. And so just stick with us on this journey, and hopefully we can learn and grow together.